Sombra's way back behind him now. She's almost dead. She's like one hit.
Got the Junkrat.
The payload has reached the
Enemy turret ahead.
Enemy turret
I'm out of here. Suiting up.
Oh, I got the Mercy.
Nice.
Hiya.
Ults at 95.
Let's tag team our ults. I'll freeze them and you blast them.
Yes, 'cause I suck with Bastion's ult.
I'm back in the fight.
It'd be better if no one's moving. Alright, my ult's ready.
APM 좀 올려볼까? I'm about to shoot
Need
you
to get them all
down.
clumped up here.
You should go left. I'll go with you and block the damage.
There's a McCree up there.
You go first.
Just I'll freeze. Well, never mind. I just got stunned and canceled.
Routing
Oh,
power.
forget that.
What?
Yeah,
I
McCree
got-
stun canceled my ult.
Bailing out.
McCree has his ult.
translocating.
Please kill her. She's so low.
That was probably the luckiest McCree stun in history.
All systems checked out.
Initiating.
Game on.
I'm pretty sure he didn't know I was doing my ult. He just happened to throw his stun at me and it canceled my ult.
There's this. Group up with
Wow, that Pharah got away.
I'll show them. Bailing out.
Falling with me. I need to recharge.
I'm back in the fight.
Oh, just shielded.
Time restored.
Finish area. There we go. Give Mercy.
You dashed away from me.
I couldn't get the Mercy though and she revived Ryan.
We got it, Mercy. I had to get away from you because I had to finish their two characters that had one shot.
Yeah.